Protecting outdoor cable connectors against water. Use PVC tapes to cover a connector. Cover with a layer of PVC tapes. Use waterproof insulation tapes to cover the cable below the connector to the connector in an overlapped mode. The upper waterproof insulation tape covers about half of the lower waterproof insulation tape. When the entire connector is covered with waterproof insulation tapes, use the same method to cover the connector and cable from top to bottom. When the cable 2 to 5 centimeters below the connector is covered with waterproof insulation tapes, use the same method to cover the cable and connector from bottom to top. That is, cover the cable and connector with 3 layers of waterproof insulation tapes. Use PVC tapes to cover the waterproof insulation tapes with proper stretch force. Cover the waterproof insulation tapes with 3 layers of PVC tapes. Use binding straps to tighten both sides of the PVC tapes to prevent the PVC tapes from corroding.